Welcome. I'm Garland Colson, also known as Captain Time, and today we're going to talk about 25 income streams for freelancers. So most commonly, a freelancer starts off by selling their services. You might be a virtual assistant, a writer, a programmer, or a marketer, and there's tons of different services that you can offer, hundreds, thousands of different services you can offer. So it's a great place to start. Certainly look at what additional services you might be able to create or you might be able to offer as a way to expand, but this is the one most people start with. Now, a great add-on service is to offer regular maintenance or service packages for people. People can pay for these monthly or annually. So one example is a web designer who might have designed a website in WordPress could do WordPress plugin updates, regular malware scans, regular maintenance, monitor it to make sure the website's up, and they can charge a monthly or an annual fee for that. If you're doing search engine optimization, you can provide your clients with monthly reports. You can provide them with new content on a weekly basis. So there's lots of things you could be setting up. If you're a video producer, you could provide your clients with a new video every month or maybe even every week. So again, these are great because you're building up some income that's going to come in on a regular basis, either monthly or annually, so you don't have to go out and resell it every time. A third source is affiliate products and services. So affiliate products are products or services you don't own yourself, but you recommend to other people. And I earn thousands of dollars every year in affiliate income. And the great thing is it doesn't take me much time to build it into the things that I'm doing. So as an example, a web designer could be recommending a hosting company, recommended plugins, recommended digital marketing software. For search engine optimization, if you're doing that for your clients, you could be recommending tracking software, reporting software, and a virtual assistant could recommend their favorite email list software, tracking tools, etc. So the idea is to keep a look, look at the services you're using, look at the best services out there for whatever you're doing that are related, and offer those to your clients after signing up for an affiliate program and use your affiliate link. Now, I don't ever promote something to clients just for the sake of promoting. I only ever promote products and services to my clients if they're ones that I genuinely feel are useful or they're ones I use myself. So in addition to doing the work for other people, you can coach other people in how to do what you do. So let's say if you're really good at internet marketing or search engine optimization or organizing or something like that, there's probably tons of people out there who would love to learn what you do. So you can offer to coach them one-on-one, get paid for your time to teach. I personally really love teaching. I find it very gratifying. It's one of my favorite things to get paid for. You can go a step beyond the coaching, which does, of course, take your time by creating a book or an ebook. So a book or an ebook takes some time to set up originally, but once it's done, you can sell them continuously and it's passive income. So you're not going to have to go out and you have to do some sort of a marketing program, but you have to sell each book individually. And having a book out there positions you as an expert. Just because you're a published author, people think of you as being somehow more worthy or more knowledgeable than other people who haven't published a book yet. I love books and I like learning from books, but to be honest, I kind of find they're almost useless without some sort of a workbook or a checklist to actually implement the principles I've learned. So one of the first things I do whenever I get a book I really love that I want to implement is I tend to mind map it to create a checklist. So you can provide templates, workbooks, and checklists that others can purchase or download. So if you're in the search engine optimization field, you could create a search engine optimization checklist or a template that people can download, and they pay you for that. Online training courses are kind of the next level. It's a level up from the book or ebook or the coaching. So by setting up an online training course with videos that people can see, once again, you set it up once, and then it can bring you in money every month without really any work on your part. It's passive income. People can work their way through the course without you being tied up. And my online courses are a very important source of revenue for me. Number 7, you can create digital content for others. So if you're good at music or photos or images, you can create, musical tracks people might want to download and use in their own videos and their own websites. You can create photos, images, videos that other people can use. You can sell them on stock photo sites to be able to make some money. You can create an app that others might use that you can sell in directories. You can create plugins. You can create themes. So it's a way to create income that's passive for you, for things that people really need. You can offer your clients or your readers premium content. So you might offer some stuff for free, genuinely useful stuff, but if they pay another level, they can pay for additional information, a deeper dive into the topic, some great additional content or some original content. And this isn't just training materials, although training materials are good. If you're a comedian, you can have content people pay for, or comics. So you might, do comics that, only people who are paid at a certain level get the extra version. YouTube is huge. It's bigger than primetime TV. More people watch YouTube than watch TV. Once you get beyond a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, which sounds like a lot, but can be done if you're creating useful, interesting content and regularly promoting it, then you can get YouTube monetization. And this is where you make money from the YouTube ads that are being shown on your channel when people are viewing. So it's a great passive income way. It's a set and forget that once you set it up, you just automatically earn that money every month. Blogging. So blogging is really just writing short articles, posting regularly on your blog or blog hosting platforms. People can follow you. It attracts people to you. You can earn money by using some of the other things we've talked about, affiliate links, memberships, donations. There's a lot of different ways to make money from blogging. You can also be interviewed by other people. You can interview people on your blog. So blogging can be another source of revenue for you. Advertising. Once you've got a following, you may start getting approached by advertisers who want you to, to show ads for their particular product and service. Don't go crazy with this. I wouldn't want to show unrelated stuff or be showing advertising for things that aren't going to appeal to you, but you can certainly consider advertising from other people as your traffic grows. You can use Google AdWords as one way to, Google AdSense to add to your blog and other places for that. Or you can have an advertising button where people can buy banner ads, buy mentions, buy things like that. You can create a membership level where people get deeper content, more information, more downloads, more templates, more checklists by people who belong to you on a regular basis. It can be a monthly membership or an annual membership. You can also ask for donations online. You can use tools like Patreon or PayPal.me pages. And many authors do this on a regular basis, as they have a donation button. If you've liked their articles, liked their short stories, you can pop them a donation. Many websites with stock photos have a button that says buy me a coffee, and you click on that and you can send a few bucks to someone whose stock photo you liked and used. You can also do paid reviews and sponsorship. Now, once again, I think it's important that you are actually disclosing to people when it is a paid review that you're doing. And you want to be honest too. You don't want to accept a paid review and then have to rave about a product or service when you really think it's crappy, because that just blows your trust from your viewers, from the people who are following you. So give honest reviews. You can certainly tell people, oh, this is a paid review, or I was sent this for free in order to check it out, but I really do love it, and go from there. You can also create merchandise branded around what you do. Think of funny sayings, graphics, cartoons, things you could put on t-shirts, mugs, keychains, hats, things that people might like. In addition to that kind of merchandise, it's pretty easy to have printed. You can also create actual physical products. So think of a product that would actually help people. So for example, I do use a lot of online tools for productivity. I could actually do, say, a printed physical product of an actual day planner of some sort that I could put together for people using my own approach. So that would be an example of a physical product that I could do for people. You can do webinars, you can do them for free to build your list, or you can charge to do income. So on a regular basis, you can be offering a webinar that will bring people to you and provide an additional source of income. You can also do live events where you bring people together, meetups, workshops, things where people can come, meet other people. People love going to conferences. They love going to these kinds of events because it gets them inspired. They can hear people and they get to network with other people. So live events have a real value for people. Subscription boxes and kits have become really popular. So you can put together a kit for almost anything. You could put together a men's shaving kit. You could put together a scrapbooking kit. You could put together a beginning knitting kit. Like there's almost any sort of kit you can put together. So think of what would relate to your target audience and what kind of kit or subscription box could you put together. So a kit, they might buy one-time fee. A subscription box might be a monthly box that they get. So one example is I play disc golf, which is like a little mini frisbee you throw out on these disc golf courses that are often in public parks, and you can subscribe to a kit that would give you like some t-shirt merchandise, some other tools, maybe a disc or two every month to try out, some merchandise people have created. You know, it's just a fun thing to do and great as a gift. Now, in addition to earning money from your own products and services, you can partner with other people to be able to earn from their products and services as well. So I use the example quite often of a web designer who creates great websites might partner with a copywriter because they know that their client's also going to need a great copywriter to write the text for the site. So by doing the referral, they might receive a percentage of the additional product or service as well. So just for the fact that you did a 5-minute referral to a great copywriter, all of a sudden you can be earning 10 to 25% of that person's service as well. As a professional speaker, I regularly get paid to go out and speak at conferences. I love doing this because I love to teach and I'm really passionate about teaching. But speaking has some other benefits as well. So it is a source of income for me, but it also positions me as an expert. People are much more likely to do business with me after hearing me speak. And it gives me a chance to, usually I can sell my books, my courses, my DVDs at the back of the room. So speaking is a great way to get multiple sources of income. Syndication is where you take your content and you sell it out there so it can be published in multiple places. Think of a comic strip, the Sunday comics that are picked up by different daily newspapers across the world. So that's a case where you might start writing for just one paper and eventually your articles are carried in many places, or your comics or your content is carried elsewhere. You can also earn income from crowdfunding. Let's say you want to do a new book or a new DVD or a music video or a training course or whatever you'd like to offer, or create a brand new physical product. You can crowdfund it through places like Kickstarter or Indiegogo, and multiple people will provide the money you need to get it off the ground, get the prototypes done and things, and in return you're going to provide them with a copy of the product or a product package once it's successfully crowdfunded. So it's a great way to bring things to fruition. Your email list is a huge marketing benefit for you, and it can be a great source of money. If you have an email list of people who are devotedly following you, people who love what you do, people who have subscribed to your list, you're not spamming people, you can regularly send information out to those people about your services, about special offers you might have, about new products, about new services, about affiliate products you have. So it's a great way to earn money. So my email list is just a fantastic source of income for me. And the 25th and final method of income for freelancers, and this isn't all the methods, by the way, this is just 25 methods to start with, is to build your own agency. So let's say, for example, you're a web designer, you're really good at managing projects, but you need more people to make it successful. You might approach a couple of virtual assistants, a couple of copywriters, a couple of graphic designers, another web designer, a couple of programmers, bring them all together into an agency. And then the agency builds the projects. You can take on much larger projects this way. You can take on more projects because you're not limited to your own skills. You've got all the skills of others. And you can earn from all of these other people's skills as well. Thank you so much for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And for more help, visit CaptainTime.com.